Hi guys, this is Mao and today we are going to be racing in Brawl Stars. This is the map. So we can charge our supers before and we can push them. That's why I've taken this. No other reason actually. Or I think I should pick Gale. Yeah. Spring Trap or Twister. Spring Trap plus stun. Yep. No, not stun. Okay, we are going this and let's get ready now. And we can charge our supers as I said, and they are on a call with me, so when I say go we'll run. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, let's charge the supers first. I need it. Primo, wait for me. I need my super. It's necessary. Okay. No, I'm dying. Yeah, stand there. When I say go, we'll do it. Not now. Three. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. I need my super. No, this is the broken strategy. Carl is great. But I have saved Carl for the last. And we'll have 5 games. So whoever wins the most is the winner. Okay, I'm second. That's okay. Ishan is third and I'm second. Okay, let's reset now. He's first. He won it. Okay, kill me so that we can reset now. So guys, there's one more rule. So whoever comes first gets 2 points, second gets 1 and third one gets 0. So who has the most points will win it. I really want to play BB, the star power and the bubble. Okay, second game, let's go. I need my super guys by the way. Okay, Modus and Diana. Ishan, you don't need your super, I think. You are not that good in Diana. Okay, I was about to kill him. Guys, I need my super. Stop doing that, please. Yeah, heal yourself so that I can get it. Okay, Ishan. Oh, the dirty player. He's stunning. Okay, I have my super. Yeah. 3. Ishan, you are really front. Ishan, you need to be a little bit back. Okay, let's go front. Yeah, 3, 2. No, no. I'm in the poison. Okay, come a little bit front. I'm starting from here. Ishan, you're dying. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I have the star power right. Yep. Ishan is last like previous time also. Oh, the dirty pushback. How can I forget it? I need my super, please. Give me my super. You can't do that. This is good. Yep, now I have broken all of it and I won it. BB is the play, guys, I'm telling you. Yes, I did it. Spin and kill myself now. Let's reset. Oh god, Ishan was there. He didn't even do it in his lane, he died. He didn't use his lane, no problem. So now I have 3 points and Ishan is at 0. And SS Arushoria is also at 3. So it's really between us right now. Okay, third one, let's go. Okay, third race. Now. And by the way, we can't play Carl and Daryl because I banned them. Nani and Daryl, not Carl, sorry. Yeah, Nani because of the teleport, and Daryl, I've tried it whenever we use the super. Daryl just goes till the end almost, so it's broken. Who do I go now? Carl Surge. I'm gonna go Carl first. Um, yeah, power throw and flying hook, good. Third game, let's go. Okay, third one. And Ishan is at 0, so he's not good right now. Oh, the Carl pick. Yo, bro, Carl. I need my super, please. Oh no, no, we have to reset now. Let's kill him. Reset. So this race didn't count. Let's reset now. We'll stay in our lanes only. So I've got the corner lane. Ishan, you have this lane. You have this lane where I am standing right now. Okay, I need my super. Yeah, Ishan, you need to be on this lane actually. Ishan, stand on this lane. Just a minute. Oh, sorry. By mistake, sorry. Three, two, one, go. No, this is not good for me right now. The slows are toxic. Okay, this is an easy dub. Get the super. Okay, am I messing up? Yeah, I am. He has a chance to win. Oh, that push actually would have been good. Okay, I got the dub easy. Who is second? Okay, so the M's reached before. Yeah, it's the M's who has won it. Just a minute, guys. I'm just looking at the replay once. I'm looking at the replay. I didn't see who came. I I think it was the M's. I'm not sure. Let's just see once. Yeah. Uh, yep. Okay, so the M's got it. M's is second. So SS Aroshoria was just asking if we pull someone, then they have to go to their lane or they can do it in the same lane. So I told him that we can do it. We can push, but they have to go into their lane only. Just a minute. So this is the fourth race, and let me just look at my score. So I am at 5 right now. I am at 5, SS Arushori at 4, and Ishan is still at 0. I didn't change my brawler, just a minute. Yep, perfect. I've got the good one. I need all of my supers as I told in the rules, so that's actually good. Okay, guys, I need the super. The gene ready to pull me. Okay, I got one. Okay, go away from me. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Uh, Attack me once. Yeah. Okay, now Ishan, you could. Ishan, you have your super, yeah. Okay, I need to upgrade. I'll take a little bit of time, but I've got the broken strategy. Okay, I'm saying go. Ready? Okay, come back. Yeah. Ready, set, go. Okay, he's not even. Ishan, you can't do that. You have to do it in your lane. Really, bro? I have the warp and. No, not that. We have to be in our lane, I said. No, we just have to go to the lane. Yep. Okay, so the previous match doesn't count because Mr. Bro died. So this is the fourth game again, right? Just a minute. Just a minute. So 3 games are over. Three. Yeah, 3 races are over. Last 2 are left. And Ishan tells me that I'm not going to like the picks which you have got. Okay, Jesse, really? And Brock. Okay, somebody attack me once. Enough, 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 enough. Okay, Mr. Bro would have died there. No, no, go away from me. Okay, that was close one. Okay, now please go away. Let really we need to do it again now. Okay, fourth game now. Let's try again. Mr. Bro is just killing everyone. The score is 5. So the score is 5, 4, and 0. Ishan doesn't have a way to win now. The score is 5, 4 and 0. If Ishan wins both the races first place, then he could draw against one of us, I hope. Okay, let me heal up. Charge on Mr. Bro if you want. Okay, now I'll go back. I need mine, just a minute. Okay, stand here. Really missing your shot so close. Okay, just. You're gonna die. Uh, Ishan, Mr. Bro, you can use your gadget and run away, right? You have the jump. He's dead. He's dead. Really? How can he make these mistakes? Fourth race, we need to do it again. Mr. Bros keep continuously dying. If he dies again, he's disqualified. I'm not joking. If he dies again, he's disqualified. Yep. Um, I'm going to be on the edge. I don't want to die. I'll stay here. Just a minute. I need my super, guys. Don't activate your super before you can't. Because it will kill us. Yeah, I'm. Okay, Mr. Bro hit me once. Okay, one more attack. Yeah, okay, enough. Why does he even need his super, by the way? Okay, I need one more attack, guys. One of you. Perfect. Stand here where I am. 3, 2, 1, go. Really, bro? If it kills me, then I'm gonna be crazy. Okay, I'm going good. Don't you dare. That's toxic, bro. That's bad. Okay, Vop. I still have. If I die in the smoke, then I'm still the winner. Yes, I got the cube. I got the first cube, so I am the winner. Really, Ishan, you were so back? That's bad. I'll just look at the scores now. It's 7-5-0. So if SS Aroshoria wins it, it's a draw between me and him. Last game, change your brawlers. I really wanna go Jesse. That Jesse pick was good. Okay, last game. Yeah, give me a minute. I don't know who's going to be good. Yup. Yup, now this is going to be fine, I hope. If SS Aroshoria comes first, then I still win if I'm second. Okay, the bull pick. I don't have the free skin in this account. Okay, we got a super in one hit. Just use the gadget to heal up and... Mr. Bro, get your super and come back. Both of you need to come back. Okay, just a minute. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. No, that's bad. No, my auto aim failed me this time. That was bad. That was bad. Okay, he won it. I am second. So I was second and he won the race. So his score is going to be 7, but I'll get 1 point. So I won it by a point. Where is he, by the way? I can't attack him. Can you please come here? So it's 8, 7 and 0. Bro, you might want to come here. I have 8 points, so you've lost it by a point. That was close. But Ishan, 0 points. So I won it by a point. It was really fun to play with these guys. Ishan was at 0 sadly. So GG guys, it was great. And this will be it for the video. For more quality content, please like, subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.